Bodega Boys.
Papi, my friend, this right here is good? It's good right here, but pull over right here?
Yeah. It's a address right here.
See, yes.
Okay, it's just IHOP. What the?
Yeah, it's you say you go to brunch.
Yeah.
Right? That's,
You know what? This got to be it.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, thank
5
you.
stars. 5 stars.
Oh, thank you, papi. I appreciate that.
Hey, de lo mío.
Papi, gracias, papi, gracias.
Okay.
Déjame aquí, sí.
Okay.
Yo, this shit's about to be lit, bro.
Yo, fam. Yo, I can't believe Roc Nation brunch, Bodega Boys finally in the building. Yeah.
Yo, Peck has kept his promises,
That's
bro.
what's up. Yo, why? You know what? They probably having it in the IHOP because they want to keep
it low key, not blow it up.
Beyonce, like,
they humble, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yo, you looking fleek in that fucking Ivy Park, my nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
Is that a parachute?
Yeah, you know the vibes. You get the boxes out here.
Wow.
You know the vibes. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, Bodega Boys in the building.
Yeah, what up?
Hey, security, we here for the Roc Nation brunch.
Yeah, we looking for Step and Repeat. We gotta check our pictures.
Yeah. Sherry from
right?
IDPR should probably be walking us down the. Where's the red carpet? We don't see the red carpet.
Yeah, nah.
Is it over there where that dope fiend is like on the floor?
My man.
Yeah.
My man.
Yeah.
This IHOP. Ain't no brunch here, my nigga.
What do you mean? Y'all niggas is international. Come on.
Yeah. Nah, that's cap.
Now we here for the Roc Nation brunch, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Jay-Z throws a big brunch. He invites all the popping people, and if so facto, we are popping.
Alright,
so we here
look,
for brunch.
boom.
Yo,
So I
Mr.
want to cut you off. I want to cut you off, my brother. You know what I'm saying? Because I know I see the energy. You feel me? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just bust my phone out real quick one time. Boom, right here. Look, check it out. Boom. Yo, Siri, where is the Roc Nation brunch?
Roc Nation brunch is here, nigga.
The Roc Nation brunch is in Los Angeles, California.
This ain't LA, my nigga. This 125. So I think you got to get on the Uber.
Nah.
Or PJ.
Nah. I know what y'all trying to keep people who are not like popping. I get it, bro. Bro, I get it. Like, is this like PDT? Like, please don't tell? Is this okay, is it like a secret entrance?
Nah. I actually hate this fucking job, dog.
All right.
I've been here since 3 a.m., nigga. You think I fought 4 crackheads today, my brother? Come on, dog.
Okay, all right.
That niggas keep fucking with me talking about this rock. You the third nigga to come up here talking about Roc Nation brunch. First Memphis Bleak, then y'all 2 niggas, man. What the fuck?
All right.
God damn, this shit is in L.A., bro.
LA.
California.
Los Angeles.
This is Harlem.
So you
This is New York City.
So you saying the brunch ain't here?
It's not here. We do got a Rudy Tooty Fresh and Fruity special though. You know what I'm saying? If you want a smiley face pancakes, kids eat free if they under 4.
Ain't no Roc Nation brunch here.
No, there is not.
So you're saying the Bodega Boys another year ain't gonna get fucking Roc Nation brunch?
Shit? You see how they do us?
Yeah.
You see how they do us? Well, we in the dinners.
Yeah. Take that, big man.
Oh shit!
Move. Mero, grab some pancakes. Mero, get some pancakes. I'm grabbing eggs.
Yo, get the crepes. Get the crepes.
Come on, get the crepes.
Yo, get the Nutella.
Yo, grab the boysenberry.
Yeah. Fuck that
Bodega Boys in. Yo, someone play some Jay-Z. Yeah. Roc Nation brunch. Yo,
that's right.
It's the Rock. Yo, let's go.
Mom dropping you back off.
I think I see the cops. I'm gonna get into a shootout with them.
Oh shit, yo,
fuck that.
Get low.
Yo, fuck that. We might die here. Do the job.
Oh, you that nigga in the head. Oh,
shit. Do the job.
Do the job before we get dropped.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Episode 188 of the world's most dangerous podcast. Yeah. Probably not the world's most dangerous podcast, because if anyone in ISIS has a podcast, it's probably more dangerous. I'm going to keep it funky.
Nah.
But I'm sure they don't have like funky sketches and shit.
I'm sure if there was like if there's like some wild dictator out there or some like wild like genocidal maniac, and he has a podcast, that's probably the most dangerous podcast.
Well, we're the most dangerous podcast in the Upper East Side between East 88.
We're the most dangerous
87.
podcast adjacent to Chelsea Market.
Boom. All right.
You know what I'm saying?
All right. Tell your Google employees to be scared.
Yeah.
It's your boy Jesus Nice.
You know what I'm saying?
And the kid Mero.
That's right. The human do-rag that we out here.
AKA the Bodega Boys.
Uh-huh.
This is episode 188, named after the illustrious 188th Street in the Bronx, which I don't know off the top of my head, but I'm sure there's a bodega, there's a barbershop.
Oh, yeah,
there's a weird church that might not be in English.
There's actually a bodega on 188th and I believe Hoffman that has been closed for the entirety of my entire fucking life.
Wow.
And then opens for like a week and then closes again. So You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying
spooky.
Yeah,
Ghost Bodega. That was a terrible Bill Cosby movie.
Yeah.
As always, was sponsored by Cash App.
Bill Cosby and Paul Rodriguez starring Ghost Bodega.
While you jest, we can totally remake that. Coming to you live from the Jamroom in Milk Studio.
Yeah,
we're jamming. I want to jamming with you. We're jamming. And I hope you like jamming too. Welcome to the Circle Line.
Yeah.
Hi, we are the Bodega Boys. We used to have a podcast. Now we're washed. Now we're circle the Atlantic.
What do you guys want to hear? Any fans of Sublime in the building?
No. What's that? A BBD Poison? All right. That girl is poison. Never trust a big butt with a smile.
All right. Anything else?
Yeah.
What is? I'm not familiar. Computers? I'm not familiar with that term. With that song.
I'm jumping over cars while I shoot.
Oh, that one. Shoot.
I think that I'm Tom Cruise. But bitch, I'm Bobby with that tool. Damn.
Thank you. Yo,
that'd be very sad.
Yo, that'd be the saddest shit ever. And we just got the sailor suits on and shit with the name tags.
Because you gotta perform every night because you circling on you on a cruise.
Fam, I used to go to the resorts in DR and feel bad because it's like instead of having their real names, there's so many Euro people out there that they don't say Julio, Juan,
they
whatever.
got like Michael and
it's like Baby Apple. Like, no, seriously, like they give themselves like nicknames. Yeah. Yo, I swear to God.
You said Baby Apple.
Shout to my nigga Baby Apple.
You said Baby Apple.
It was Baby Apple, a Caramello, Eminem, like not Eminem the rapper, but like the candy. He said, "Mommy, because I'm calling for outside, but I'm chocolate inside if you take the top off."
Wow. Dare I say Dominicans are nasty.
So nasty.
Are they sucio?
Sucio.
Yeah.
I can't wait till we perform that shit at the Grammys. Oh,
it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. The Bodega Boys takeover. It's not. You know what? Because right now, after our CCA loss, which, fuck that.
It wasn't a loss.
We're gonna talk about this. It wasn't a loss. It was we were robbed.
Yeah.
We were robbed.
Yeah.
Does carpool karaoke? Does that guy actually drive the car?
Let me ask you something. That's important. That's an important question to ask. And then I already felt the conversation. You know why? Because their third eyes aren't open.
Their third eyes not open.
We got two third eyes
Think
open.
about if you watch Chopped and you found out they didn't actually cook shit.
Imagine that.
It'd be a different show.
Iron Chef with no knives.
Okay. Carpool karaoke.
Put that shit on a trailer,
It's on a trailer. They ain't even driving,
They ain't
bro.
even driving, dog.
You see this shit? You see this? We drinking for real. We smoking for real. This is our lives.
This is our lives, man.
Right?
You know what I'm saying?
Every time we walk into a studio, we could die.
You know what I'm saying?
I don't know how,
That's right.
but yeah.
It could happen. Like the fall, some shit could happen.
Remember a light almost killed Hillary Clinton?
That's right.
That could happen to us.
Yo, we drove a big time Tommy for real.
For real. In a real car.
That's right.
All right?
You know what I'm saying? I was really whipping that old ass 88 Lincoln Town car with mad GoPros in it. We took, you know what I'm saying, Anna Kendrick's very, you know what I'm saying, sprightly ass all over the Bronx.
That's right. We did real verses with Nas and Big. Now no made up shit.
No made up shit.
Okay?
Fuck out of here.
Hip hop.
Real hip hop.
Never going away. Keep real hip hop. Hip hop is mad old now too.
Yeah, it is.
Like,
it really is. It's like jazz now.
Because like if you have I guess regular cable, when you go up to Music Choice, the channel you put on, it's if you're doing a Netflix and chill, you want to show Shorty some hors d'oeuvres, and it's just saltines with Vienna sausages and a piece of cheddar.
Before we watch the film, would you like to?
You be like, yo, you ate?
Then you got the old school rap station on. It's like, welcome to the candy shop.
And you're like, that's not old school. They got they have modern rap, which is like the Kodak Black channel or something. Like, ew. And then they have yo, familiar jams, whatever, and it's like T.I. from like 2000. Then they got old school, but the old school should be like from like fucking 81 and shit. You're like, yo, why ain't no Just Ice? Like, relax.
That's old school. When they swallow with a K, you're getting some Just Ice.
All you hear is like a straight up 808 beat.
Oh, yeah.
I was walking down the hall. I tripped and I fall. I keep it real. and they rap about shit. It's like, I got a radio. Yo. Batteries in my radio. And you're
like, okay, wow.
All right, wow. But at the time, everyone
I use my soap when I bathe. Yeah, motherfuckers can cave. I'm like, that doesn't
isn't that good.
sense.
But back then, everyone was like,
oh my God. Wow.
Hip hop. Yeah.
Yo, fam. Well, homie said, fuck, what did he say? In the message,
I jump in the pool that's on the wall.
Nah, he said, it was like something super basic, like, oh no, it was Curtis Blow. It was like, something on the thing.
That's the brakes.
Oh yeah, brakes on the car, brakes on the door, brakes on, and niggas was like, yo,
that's what I call motherfucking bars, nigga.
Y'all niggas don't know nothing about that.
But to be fair, that was like the third rap song. How hard it was, mind blowing. It's the same thing. It was like during the Harlem Renaissance. Like some of the books in the Harlem Renaissance were not that good. They just came out earlier than other shit. That's why like niggas was like, nah, all the Harlem Renaissance writers was like, that shit wasn't even hard. I'm
about to body these niggas.
Yo, who the fuck Zora Neale Hurston thinks she is? Yo, y'all got some shit for her.
Yo, watch.
I got some shit.
Y'all gonna dunk all over James Baldwin right
niggas
now.
Niggas had Quentin Miller, but he had to walk conk. He's helping them ghostwrite this shit. Yo, Richard Wright, I got a hook for you.
Yo, I got this shit called Classic Man. Who are you? I'm Jadena. He's like, well, you're dressed for the time period, sir.
There you go. The Harlem Renaissance.
Yo. Man, imagine being like your uncle's, like one of your uncles or some shit, and hearing Curtis Blow say, brakes on the car, brakes on the train, and you just put the blunt down like, yo.
Well, I mean, more if we're keeping it real, more than likely it wasn't a blunt. They're smoking straight up crack. Because it was that period where crack was not bad.
Yeah, it was acceptable.
Crack was,
it was like,
damn.
yo, you got krills?
Yeah, niggas go to a party, niggas like, yo, spark up.
Spark up?
I don't know, like,
yo, you got a clean pipe?
Things was different. Because like now when you go to a party, you're like, yo, I got my, you know, I got a White Claw, I got a blunt. I don't know if I want to go to a party where you're like, oh shit, I forgot my rocks. And then it's like, do you make it yourself?
Yo.
Because I'd feel safer watching you make it. Artisanal crack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, it's not like watching a person make crack, bro. It's so ill. Like, there
needs to be a show. Channel. Yeah. There you go.
There
needs to be a show because all these rappers talk about, yo,
I cook the best crack. Yo,
look at my whipped
wrist
cream.
game.
No, it just be me, you, Fat Joe, and Noriega, and
judging
we just judging crack.
Yep.
You know?
Hell yeah. But we make it, that would kill. Yeah. Like, yo, because you got Joel Santana talking about the cheddar that connect. Look at the flick of the wrist. Yeah. That dude. Yeah.
Put him under pressure. Yeah.
The guy, make that fire crack.
And it better not, be brown. Don't make no Cocoa Pebbles.
Let me bring DMX out to judge and shit like, yo, hey, yo.
Shout out to DMX.
Yo, hey, yo,
we respect you on your journey trying to get clean.
We love you, brother.
We love you.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, if we joke about you on this, that doesn't mean...
it's out of love.
It's out of love. There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
It's like when you beat your kids out of love.
You know what I'm saying? It's like, yo, I whooped your ass, baby. You know why? It's because you almost got your ass. You almost got in worse trouble than me just whooping your little ass.
It's like on Twitter, they're always like, yo, just because you got beat, you think you turned out well. You didn't. It's like, yeah, that's true. But, I mean, if you had a hard day, you should probably take it out on your... You know what? Nigga just in the car like, ooh, little nigga.
Wait till we go whoop your little ass. Oh, you chunky bastard.
Who left this car out here on the living room floor?
Living room big as shit. This is one match car.
It's not even in the way of nothing.
Nothing. You just like, yo, what the fuck?
You didn't put these controllers back?
Yo! They're not charging!
Get over here!
What about when you want to play this later?
This is funny, but also our therapist is listening to this like, hey, that's trauma.
Hey, guys. You gotta open up about that.
That's trauma.
You know what I mean? Just be honest with yourself.
Yeah.
It's compartmentalized, you know? You grew up in a rough environment and you did really well at, pushing those ideas to the back. And then, you come across something else that opens up that Pandora's box and, you're going to have to deal with it.
Mr. Therapist,
it's doing the work.
I need to pay for this appointment. Do you take cash?
Absolutely. Hell yeah.
Oh, word? You know what it is.
Oh.
You know the vibes.
Oh, shit.
You know the fucking vibes.
All right, yo.
Yeah. Compartmentalize opening that fucking lockbox. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Here you go. You got it.
Yeah.
There's $5,000.
Yeah.
Goddamn. Yo, this shit slaps though. Woo. Shit. Yeah.
It's a song about you just saw neighborhoods to get the gat.
Yo.
I mean, listen, I love it.
It's great. They got to do a Bronx version.
Let's do a Bronx version.
Who would be on the Bronx
Eden Wall,
version?
get the gat. Burnside, get the gat. Get the gat.
Get the gat. RPT, get the gat. Get the gat. Get the gat. Soundview, get the gat. Get the gat. Get the gat.
Flybridge, get the gat.
Get the gat. Get the gat. Kids Bridge, get the gat. Get the gat.
Get the yopper.
Yeah.
Gotta get bigger guns.
Yo, don't. I was gonna say if you're an independent Bronx rapper, do this version. No, don't.
You don't even have to say it.
Leave it up to a professional.
It's like when you.
It's already done. Probably.
It's like when you leave meat on the floor and it starts rotting.
Yeah.
You don't have to invite maggots.
Yeah.
They're gonna come.
They just come.
Hey, listen, rappers love a freestyle, so they're gonna come through.
The only version of this I'll accept is the Fred the Godson remix. That's the only version I'll accept.
I want an FKA Twigs version. I want her just spinning around on a pole.
Is she British? She's British, right?
She's British and Jamaican and like mad other things. And
she's like
French
Spanish town posse. Get the gat, mate.
I don't know that accent. I don't even know what character that was. That was like Peppa Pig's ethnic friend.
On my West End posse, get the gat. On my East End posse, get the gat.
She's starring a Top Girl. Where's me maxi pads, mate?
Yo, what's she doing right now? Is she dropping a new
No,
album?
She dropped the album. She's like touring and shit now. She getting that tour money. Because nothing's better than tour money.
Touring is lit.
You know what I'm saying? You go to town, you go to a hotel room, you can't figure out how to turn the lights on or off, so you just end up pulling the plug out the wall.
Yo, fuck it.
Then you go perform, and then afterwards you eat mad food and you pass out.
You pass the fuck out.
Then you go to the
wake
hotel.
Up, you're like, oh shit, what happened?
And then you got like mad new clothes and shit because people gave you t-shirts and shit, and you can't fit them in your luggage.
I can't fit my luggage. Fuck. I guess the maid's getting this shit.
And then you like circle your room 4 times before you check out. Just make sure you don't leave anything. But then you still end up leaving something.
Oh yeah, of course.
Damn. Rest in peace to my AirPods. I left them in Boston.
Damn.
That was so hurtful because I was in the car on the highway and I was like, find my AirPods. And it was like, Boston, nigga. I was like, I called the hotel. They was like, ain't no AirPods here. I was like, are you taking this phone call on AirPods? They was like, yeah.
Yeah, so?
I was like, did you find those AirPods? They got me. They got me.
Hey, Coca.
Today's episode is sponsored by Coke. The cola or the drug, whichever one you want it to be.
Whichever one you want it to be.
Whichever one you want it to be. Whichever one gets you through the day. Maybe a little caffeine, maybe a little...
You know what I'm saying? A little sniffy.
A little get right.
Shop Victoria, you know what I'm saying? She's out here walking around these streets, you know what I'm saying?
There's 3 things that keeps New York running. Caffeine, nicotine, and cocaine.
That's right.
That's the 3.
Absolutely.
Pick your poison, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
All right? On a good night, maybe all 3.
Those are renewable sources of energy right there.
Okay?
You know what I'm saying?
That's when, because Diddy was like, he loves New York, the energy. That's the energy in New York.
Uh-huh.
Because most time, there's everyone in New York, you look at them, you can see they're either on caffeine, nicotine, or cocaine.
You're
listening to this on the train, look around you. You can find a cokehead.
Look.
You can find a cokehead.
You see the dude twiddling the cigarette in his fingers, dying to get off the train and smoke that shit? Like, he's doing tricks with the shit in his fingers. Like,
Yep. The person kind of twitching at the side of their mouth, like, yeah. Trying to get right, bro.
Yeah, come on, bro.
Trying to get right. Who's the dickhead that didn't vote unanimous for Derek Jeter? Have they exposed themselves?
Got to be somebody from Boston. They would never expose themselves. They're too bums.
I don't think it's like a Boston. I think it's just like a sports writer trying to make a name for themselves.
It could be. Listen, they do anything for clout. They do anything for clout.
Do anything for clout.
That's right.
They do anything for
clout. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I have to say to that motherfucker?
You're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, gotta hear both sides. Maybe New Yorkers are too greedy. I mean, he's already going into the Hall of Fame. Why does that have to be unanimous?
Because it's Derek Jeter, dog. He was like the face of it. If it wasn't for Ken Griffey getting hurt so much, Ken Griffey and Derek Jeter were gonna make baseball cool again.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? And Ken Griffey went down too many times. Derek Jeter made it cool to be a Yankee. Like, being a Yankee, if you think about it, if you break it down to its core, being a Yankee is mad corny. They make you shave.
I got a hot take, though.
You know what I'm saying?
Derek Jeter was only acceptable because he was half white.
Ooh. But he looked more black than white.
No, actually, he looked Puerto Rican at one point.
Yeah. It depends on the season.
Yeah, we were just lost.
Summertime, he was like, yo, he's black.
Every time they pan to his parents, he was like, oh, he black.
Oh, he's black. Yeah, his dad looks like Jim Brown.
Think about it, because who's the most popular Yankee right now? Aaron Judge.
True. Mm-hmm. Biracial.
That biracial girl.
You know what I'm saying?
Living in your biracial world.
Yeah, you listen to Interpol, but you like Chief Keef too.
You know what I'm saying? All right, I would like to apologize for my rant just a while ago against biracials and Yankees. Apologize. I was wilding.
That's all good.
No, I just want to apologize to cover my tracks.
Oh, yeah. So
because what happens if, like, say, God forbid, Showtime cancels the show and then I have to be on SNL and then someone pushes up this podcast and they're like, look, he was like racist against biracial.
Yo, he was racist against biracial. He was double racist.
He's double racist. I'll be like, I'm not racist. I eat black and white cookies all the time.
That's right.
How dare y'all?
I respect Joey's.
Okay?
You know what I'm saying?
I listen to Halsey.
I go to a kosher deli.
What?
I don't know. Just throw that in there for extra, like.
No, that doesn't help. That does not help. Does not help. Get away from my press conference.
You just be rolling with a blow my hand. Yo, that's right. He's right. He's not racist at all.
I was like, is there no security here?
Yo, Heather, give him a hug. Look, she's white. He has white friends.
Thank you. You're not helping.
You know what I'm saying?
Not helping. Bringing out. There's no situation in life where you ever have to bring out white friends.
Have a white friend.
Here's my white friend. What the fuck?
Nigga, when the police is involved, that's when you bring out your white friend. Like,
maybe.
Megan, can you come up here?
No, even then, your white friend gotta be proactive and get in front of you.
Excuse me, what's going on, officer?
Okay, ain't no.
Yeah. This is a frat party. It's fucking lit. So what?
Oh, man.
Yo. Oh, shit. Racism in America.
Rest in peace, Mr. Peanut. You know what I'm saying?
They killed him? Yo,
yes.
They killed my nigga. Yo,
he killed himself trying to save friends.
Wow.
You didn't see that?
Wow. He killed in a commercial?
Forget it.
On Twitter?
On Twitter, nigga.
I know it said RP Mr. Peanut. I thought they just discontinued the mascot. I didn't know it was like a whole thing.
Yeah.
I don't know it was like fucking a Marvel movie.
Have you seen
what did he do? Jump in front of a train?
He like dangled off a branch or some shit like
wow. Then he just shell cracked, he was dead?
He's dead.
Damn, dog.
Rest in peace, dog. Have you seen Once Upon a Time in Hollywood?
Is that the movie with no, that's the other one. That's Little Women. Sorry. Yeah, no.
Okay. All right. Okay.
You know what I did see?
What did you see?
Shit. I completely forgot. But it was important because it made me realize that I finished watching the Aaron Hernandez thing finally. Finally finished watching it. Finally.
How do you feel?
I feel like.
How do you feel about Aaron Hernandez out here sucking a cock?
I mean, like, that's his thing, and it was bad funny because they just threw that shit in. That was like the wild plot twist, like out of nowhere.
It wasn't even like
and it wasn't even that serious. Like it wasn't even part of that
serious. I mean, like he was a football player who was killing people.
Yeah,
like that's the main story.
Also,
you know. I'm not judging. Aaron Hernandez can have some cock on the side as a treat.
You know what I'm saying? As a treat.
A little cock.
A wild cheat day.
You know
what I'm saying?
Little cack.
You know what I'm saying?
Little cack sacky.
Yeah, the shit that worried me the most was him smoking weed out of black amounts. That made me very concerned for his well-being.
Yeah, I mean, that's listen, we've all been in situations where you have to,
do what you got to do.
You got to do what you got to do.
Yeah.
Do what you do to me. Got to roll up in something, some Bible paper. You never know. In a pinch, you can use
absolute worst thing you rolled up in. Absolute worst. I'm not talking about even Bible paper. I'm like talking beyond.
Absolute worst thing I ever rolled up in, aluminum foil.
Oof.
So, listen, when that Alzheimer's hits, baby, I know why, but it was worth it. Fuck it. And I did that shit in the Airbnb because I'm a savage. Do what I want. Fuck your rules.
I smoked a paper from a pizza bag slice once. I don't know why I did that. I had a nickel bag of some like dirt weed, and I was just like, fuck it. Let me just give myself a 5-hour headache.
Listen, it works. I mean, you need the weed. I saw a kid on Twitter, and no, it was like on TikTok or some shit, and he actually smoked weed out of his fist.
At his fist?
Yeah.
Yo, you wildin', bro.
Listen.
That shit gets dumb high.
You're wildin'. He's a trendsetter.
Wow.
He's a trendsetter, you know what I mean? People gotta smoke weed.
I never wanted weed that bad. Smoke weed out of motherfucking head.
No, I've been in situations where it's just like I would totally do that. When I was in Hawaii, I could not get weed for shit, and like I was like, shit, I'm like weed sober for like. Did something just drop?
Oh shit! Yo, it's falling apart.
They're trying to kill us.
Oh no!
They're trying to kill your favorite bitch.
Yo. Oh, but she don't got lit in it.
You know what? Fuck it. The podcast is canceled. I can't work under these conditions. Milk, what are you doing to us? Yeah. Oof.
Give me a 30-second synopsis of fucking. What did you just ask me if I was? Oh, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood.
Can't do it.
Who does it star?
I'm sorry. Do you see the Patreon.com link in my bio? Okay, you're gonna pay me for my work. Okay, I am not your mule.
Yo, you should. Yo, 30-second film reviews. Patreon, little Patreon flow. Is it How do we pronounce it so I don't sound like an asshole?
I have no idea
because I don't use it.
I think it's Patreon.
Patreon.
Anybody?
Patreon. I was saying it right.
Patreon.
Yeah. Thanks,
Patreon
Mom, for punishing me by making me read.
I mean, you know,
Patreon.
It sounds too. You know what? I don't support it because it sounds too much like
patronizing.
Like, yeah,
it's like a combination of patronizing and patriarchy. So I'm like, nah, I don't fuck.
So
with
every
that.
time I'm like about to donate money, I'm like, what would Bell Hooks think? And I say, no, yes,
can't do that.
Can't do that.
No way.
I'm an ally.
Yep.
Sorry, I'm an ally.
Sorry.
I use that a lot. A lot. Like if I'm on the train and like a woman comes on, she's pregnant, I'm like, I'm an ally, I can't do this.
It's like your wild draw 4.
Yep. Excuse me, I'm an ally, I gotta get in front of the line. Ally coming through. Push my way through in the bar.
Cops stop you there like, hey pal, let me see it.
No, I'm an ally. Can't stop me.
Oh yeah, he has he has his ally.
It's like a PBA card.
Yeah, oh yeah, he's got it. Oh, Petruzzi, let him through.
No, anyone that says they're an ally is trash. You should never self-call yourself an ally.
Nah, like, bro, you gotta that's like a nickname. Like you can't, you can't give yourself a nickname. Yeah, nah.
Hey, how you doing? I'm Gunther. I'm Malibu Pete. Hey,
no, you're not. No, you're not.
Then you get a
you boner,
like,
nigga.
Yo, dickhead. Your name is Dickhead. Then you gotta come back and body the block like, yo, who's Dickhead now, huh?
Yeah, huh?
Yeah, enjoy your colostomy bag.
Yeah, hold this dick in your head.
Yeah. We casually mention shootings all the time, but
that's because we're from the Bronx. We're desensitized.
There was a shooting yesterday, and a homeless guy shot another homeless guy, and I was like, "Damn, how you homeless with a gun? Right?
Yeah, how you can sell that shit for $500 easy?
Not whoa.
Depending on the gun,
not 500.
Depending on the gun.
No,
whenever my homeless
nobody paying 500 for a gun.
It depends on the gun.
No,
and who you getting it from?
No one's paying $500 for a gun.
Fam, if some
an illegal gun, no one's paying more than $3.
If some dude drives up from Virginia right now with
like an AK,
yeah,
okay, that's different.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I mean,
I forgot we have a Showtime show.
I'm like, yo, son, say you wouldn't cop that shit for $5. A clean AK, bro. No bodies. No bodies.
I'd cop for $5, but I'd have the wild attitude. I'd be like, yo, you for real? You gotta throw some gun oil or something.
Yo, so I got the whole cleaning kit.
Bullets, I got the whole cleaning kit. Yo, bro, you OD.
Yo, his 2 clips, the cleaning kit, bro. Yo, no bodies.
And for a second, you'd be like, I should shoot this nigga. You always, when you buy a gun, you're always like, yo, I could clap this nigga. You always thinking it. He thinking it too.
That's why you got the shirt
on him. Yeah. And he'd be like, "Yo, meet me at McDonald's." I was like, you smart. You smart. Yeah, we not meeting inside your Honda. You know?
No, we're not.
Oh, those were the days.
For those who don't know, here's a very good tutorial for that. Is 50 Cent's Guns for Sale. You know what I'm saying?
Shit.
You know what I'm saying? He explains it how they.
Nah, fuck that. I love that. We tried. We had the beef with 219th. We had to buy guns, and my boy knew a Nieta. And he wasted our time all night because he was like promising mad guns. And we came to the McDonald's on Bainbridge and we had mad money to buy the guns and he just never delivered them.
Let me tell you why.
We were mad tight.
Tell me why let me tell you why they had all the guns. Because all the motherfuckers came back and forth from Florida. So they would go scoop them shits up in Florida and just drive back up with mad vans full of gats. I was like, that's all the Puerto Rican dudes had gas for mad long. You couldn't even go into Soundview if you was from Soundview, nigga. You was getting clapped early. There was way too many Puerto Ricans out there like, yo, what's popping?
Just hit a nigga with the...
Yo, that shit was like, yo, fam, who you know here? Immediately upon entry, security's asking you now, who you know here?
Yeah, I was wild. My mother used to run the library in Soundview. Shout out to Soundview. Shout out to the gang. French Montana used to come to the library. Yeah. She knew him as Kasim. So,
shout the French.
Shout the French.
You know what I'm saying? What book you think French would like take out? A young French Montana, like Lion Witch in the Wardrobe, or like something a little more deep.
British Terabithia, I don't know.
British Terabithia?
I don't know.
The Secret Garden?
I don't know. For our new show, Books with French Montana.
Yeah. He's like, huh? Yo, today we're going to read The Giving Tree, nigga, huh?
Keep giving. Keep giving.
Yo, I would literally pay to see French
What
Montana
rapper would you not want to... What rapper would you like to see host
a kids radio show?
Yeah.
Oof. I mean, like, DMX is like the obvious choice, but that's like the layup.
What about Ja Rule?
Yo, Ja Rule would be pretty lit. But you know what the thing with Ja Rule is? He probably would try to like insert himself in every story.
He probably scammed the kids.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. He'd be like, yo, little nigga, you want to hear the end of this book? Give me $10.
Yo.
So,
you know what I'm saying? Yo.
Nope.
Hop on pop. I wrote that shit.
He thinks we forgot about Fry Fest.
Yeah, no, we did not.
We did not. Like, yo, fam.
We did not.
People almost died. No, they didn't. But it made two good documentaries.
Kind of.
Low key, if they were to do Fry Fest again, I'd go.
I might fuck with it.
I might fuck with it.
Like, yeah, fuck
What's the worst that can happen? Because like, me and you, we can survive on that island.
Oh, yeah.
We're not these, like,
no.
Tumblr
Are you serious?
people. Like,
I'm like, dog, I shot outdoors, I bathe in a tank, all that shit, bro. Come on, you stupid?
I'll be sleeping on the beach, you
Stop
know?
it, bro.
Probably start begging for money.
Come on. If you haven't slept on, there's two types of people who have slept on the mosquito nets and people who have not.
True.
Out of necessity.
True.
Not on some like, oh my God, this is so whimsical.
It's like when my father, he was like, yo, you have to sleep underneath the mosquito net. And I was like, that doesn't make any sense. I want to go sleep in the car. And he was like, if you sleep in the car, they're going to kidnap you and kill you.
Yep.
And I was like, okay, I am going to go back inside the house now. I was like, thank you for the heads up.
He was 80% joking.
Oh, he was not joking whatsoever.
20% joking.
He was like, stop the madness. He was like, you're a young American kid. You know how much money you're worth? I was like,
yeah, that's
true.
Yeah,
true.
You're right,
I'm worth at least 50 Jamaican dollars.
Yeah.
Shit. Damn. Niggas to check me for a bottle of Dettol.
Man, you crazy? Every time I went to the spoke English like I was Anne Frank, dog, I would just go in the corner and be like, Ingrid, I gotta go to the bathroom. You gotta go first. Okay, go. Mami, yo tengo hambre. Like, nah, I'm not American. What do you mean? What are you talking about? I'm not from here. I am 12.
Yeah, my father was like, yeah, don't get no girls pregnant. I was like, I'm 9.
Yeah.
I was like, I don't think I'm even making sperm yet, but thank you.
Appreciate the concern.
He was like, they want to get pregnant, so the baby is an American and has to come live with us. That was my parents' big fear. People living with us, they're not trying to share. Like, there was like, it's already too much toilet paper, so I was like, all right, you know.
It's already too much toilet paper. That's the budgetary issue. It's like, yo, it's the toilet paper.
I mean, there were like 6 of us. That's a lot of toilet paper.
Yeah, as a parent, I realize it's a lot of toilet paper. It's a lot of milk. It's a lot of fucking... At some point, it was a lot of diapers. Spend a lot of money on shit, and you just like, yo, what the fuck? Where's this going? Where's it going? Where's it going? Where's it going? Where's it going?
It's going to them goddamn kids.
It is. That's an investment.
Kids.
You know what I'm saying? But it makes me mad that I'm paying for something for you to just shit in and me throw in the garbage. You know what I'm saying? At its core.
Yeah, diapers are a scam by the white man.
You know what I'm saying?
In real life, you should just like let your kids free ball. Just let them walk around the house and shit.
Yeah, and just, yo, if you got to take a shit in some grass.
Just shit on the floor.
You know what I'm saying?
No. No, when I was in France at that museum, the Louvre, they had a sign and they were just like, yo, fam, don't shit on the floor.
Don't shit on the floor?
No, because...
they have a sign that says don't shit on the floor?
Yes, because people...
Just shit on the floor?
They get a lot of tourists, and this is not me being anti-Asian or anything. I was talking to like someone who works at the museum, and they said it's like a lot of people from like China that come there for some reason just Be shitting on the floor.
Just drop a dope on the floor, like
it's because you know what? There's like a lot of people that were like rural, right. And now like they're rich. But like, I guess I don't know. But then at the same time, I was like, are you lying to me, you French person?
Yeah, that could be.
I was like, do you want me to just like go and tell this story around the world and just make up this lie about Chinese people shitting on the floor? Just sitting there with a cigarette, like, yeah, the Chinese, they shit on the floor. And I was like, I had to hit him with the American. What you talking about, Willis?
Do you have video of this?
Yeah. Also, you can't even see the paintings. It's like you're like mad far away, and there's mad people up close and mad people trying to take selfies with the Mona Lisa and shit. God, and I'm like, I get it.
Yeah.
I was like, I saw it in the Beyonce and Jay-Z video. Like, why I gotta see it in real life?
I've seen so many prints. I'm good.
What kind of prints, bro? Like, I mean, if you're interested in prints, I mean, I'm not an art dealer, but if you come in the bathroom, I got a print for you.
Whoa, Mr. Fun.
Bro, the Rangers scored 4 goals. I mean, like, come down now. Meet me downstairs now. Just tap your foot underneath the urinal. I got a hat trick for you.
Yo, Susio Spectrum.
Susio Spectrum. Shout out to the Susio gang. Shout out to Susio boys, Susio girls, Susio them.
You know what I'm saying? Gloria Opino doesn't do it for me.
Gloria Opino is disgusting.
Yeah, it doesn't do it for me.
What the fuck is that? Like, you're just out here. It's not. I don't get it.
Yeah,
I don't get it.
I don't get it.
You know what? Because me myself personally, I'm a nasty nigga, but I'm not like just stick my dick in a random hole.
In a random hole.
That's how you lose your dick. Like, there's a 50% chance you get it sucked. There's a 50% chance, so it just chops it off.
Yo.
All right. I'm not trying to be out here. I'm not trying to get my Lorena Bobbitt on. If you know what I'm talking about, you know.
Yo, a lot of you niggas.
If you have to go to the emergency room and you got your dick on ice, that's an emergency, but they might tell you to sit down because they might have like other pressing issues before you.
That's a fact.
And then you gotta sit there and think like, damn,
dog.
Why would I take that risk?
Fuck.
Why did I stick my dick in that hole?
And a lot of people are ballsy, no pun intended, and throw their balls and their dick through the hole too.
If you wildin'.
You wildin'. You wildin'.
That's a pedo shit. This nigga over here thinking about glory hole porn.
No,
what's going on, Mero?
I don't know. What the fuck? Oh, you know what it was? I was looking at what was I looking at Pinot, and it just came up. Like it just came up. You know how the Pinot sites have like the sidebar?
Actually, no, I don't watch porn.
You have no idea. Oh, of course, yeah, you have no idea what I'm talking about.
My porn is thecookingchannel.com. I just read the recipes and I pray to Jesus and go to sleep. In my head to toe pajamas. I put a little peppermint essential oil in my humidifier.
Yeah. Me too.
Stress.
Yeah, me too.
I don't touch myself.
My porn website is Ola. You know what I'm saying? I go up there, look up, you know what I'm saying, old lyrics, you know what I'm saying? To like, Arrested Development songs. That's my porn.
Mr. Wendell,
Yeah.
This nigga beating his meat.
Yeah, I mean,
oh my God! Wow!
I feel like you should. Everybody should. I keep telling people that. I'm like, yo, you should definitely beat meat. Like,
but
and also like all across the spectrum. Like, yo, whatever you identify.
Beat your meat.
Stroke your jill off.
Jill off.
You know what I'm saying?
Pound the mound.
Yeah, whatever you do.
Get the extra breadsticks at Olive Garden.
Yeah. Whatever you got to do to make it happen.
You know
what I'm saying? Just make it happen. Just bust that nut. That's just mad relieving.
Plug in your MacBook.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Put money on your Metro card. You ladies know what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Nasty.
You at a time where you adding value, mom.
Yeah. It depends on the nigga you fucking.
It's true. Shout out to all my ladies doing the inner borough relationships. You in Brooklyn, he's in the Bronx.
Oh shit!
You on the train like, why the fuck am I doing this?
Yes.
Oh my God, is that week in construction? Now I gotta take a bus.
You got your ankles behind your head, and you're like, oh, I remember this was why I'm doing this. You know what I'm saying?
And it's not even a casual, yo, I'm coming to your house. You got to pack supplies.
Yo.
It's like you going to the top of Mount Everest.
You're like a little kid.
You got a Sherpa.
You got like snacks.
You got to be like, okay, I'm going to be there for 3 days. So all right, here's my shirt for when I come home. In case we go out, let me bring something nice. And all you want, all you're begging for is a drawer. That's all you want. Like, let me have something. Yeah, he's like, no. Get your 2 Louis bags and get out of here.
Yeah, beat it.
If you leave now, it's 1 o'clock. If you leave now, you can be home by 8.
That's so foul.
She got to get off at 59th Street, take the escalator all the way down. Wow. Take the E train to Jamaica Center.
God.
And you saying, is this worth it? Is this worth it? If you're putting that effort in for a casual dating thing and it's not being reciprocated, I don't know, bro.
I don't know about that.
I don't know.
They're not coming to the Bronx for you. What are you doing?
If you date someone from the
bus, if you get on a bus,
if you date someone from the Bronx and they're like, you know, that means a lot because the Bronx doesn't have like seamless options.
Yeah, no.
People from Brooklyn come to the Bronx and they be like, they're like, yo, look at your seamless.
Oh my God!
Wow. 3 Papa John's. Wow.
So much fake pizza.
Wow. Oh, for brunch, it's saying Crown Fried Chicken. Wow. Wow. Oh, look. Is this like a local pizza? Oh, no, it's Domino's.
Oh,
it's
wow.
You got to be a savage to order Domino's through Seamless.
Oof.
That just means you're stupid.
Yo,
that just means you don't understand how.
You don't care.
You're just adding a fee for no reason.
Yeah, like, I want to pay you, Seamless, because you're not already mad rich.
Yeah, that's like opening Seamless in the Bronx. You be like, damn, these niggas want me to starve. Kind of shit. They got the bodega on there. They be like, yo, winter fresh gum. I'm like,
winter fresh gum.
Like, why am I Seamless saying winter fresh gum?
She got mad fucking categories.
Yo, Poppy, let me get winter fresh gum, a plunger, and 1 Magnum.
The bodega is the only thing on Seamless that got housewares as a fucking option.
Sad yet true.
Yo,
I'm gonna open a pop-up. I always want to open a pop-up restaurant in the Bronx, but I don't want to run it. So it's like,
just get like a chef guy and be like, yo, I'm gonna do a pop-up restaurant.
Yeah, but then it's just like I gotta like care and shit like that.
You gotta show up and be like,
pay rent.
Yeah, oh my God.
You know, like basic hygiene. You gotta wash pots. I gotta buy mad utensils. Like if I open a restaurant, I'm only buying like 10 sets of utensils. Like fuck that. Like why am I buying 20 if only 10 people at a time can eat? And I checked every time. Every time you eat, I'm gonna count the utensils at the end. And there's a $500 charge if you steal fork.
If you steal fork,
because people like to steal. Rihanna be stealing glasses from bars and restaurants, and people think it's cute because she's hot.
How'd you know that?
Look, there's always photos of Rihanna walking in the street with glasses of champagne or drinks and shit. And she thinks it's cute. She thinks it's whimsical. What about that small business owner? Huh? That's theft.
That's gonna cost. It's gonna cost them like $1.20 at least.
You know, they gotta go to IKEA or Dollar Barn or Dollarama. I don't know why we're buying our drinks from Target. You know, but Rihanna, stop the teething. Rihanna just broke up with her.
Stop the teething. Stop the scamming.
She just broke up with her billionaire boyfriend. Yeah. I mean, but that's it. The whole thing is he was a billionaire. Like, who knows? He probably couldn't hold a conversation.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like,
you think he was up on like new songs and shit?
This is the thing. To become a billionaire, you got to be like kind of really focused on becoming a billionaire.
Not really.
So you
not really. If your father's a billionaire, you become a billionaire.
Oh yeah, well yeah. I mean, in that case, but I'm saying like if you are his dad was a billionaire.
Yes.
Oh, he was. Okay. Well, all right.
Uncle Victor.
That goes out the window.
Uncle Victor coming with the flex. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Flexy. I love every episode. Victor coming in is like when the NBA players walk down that hall.
Yo,
and they're showing their swag. You gotta put the. He
got the headphones on and shit. He's listening to like T Grizzly.
Yeah, they're like, oh, look at Victor. Victor looks like he's dropping at least 40 tonight. Shout out to Victor. Victor, my favorite rookie on the Lakers. Top numbers in the draft, bro.
Yeah,
I thought he was gonna go higher. But you know what? LeBron really loves him. Yeah. You know? Strong defender.
Oh, shit. Whew. Oh, man. Oh, my
God. You know the fucking vibe?
You know the fucking vibes. A lot of people ask us where that's from, that you know the fucking vibes.
She's sample. A single queen.
That's from the Bible.
That's from the Bible.
That's from the Bible.
It's from Matthew 6:48.
It was at the end of the Last Supper. Like everyone, like they divided the bill and shit. And then Jesus was like, "Yo, we going to afters?" And Judas was like,
"You know the fucking vibes."
Yeah,
my nigga, I always fuck with you.
Let's go. Let's go.
It's gonna be Romans Day.
Yo, let's go to the flat. What's up?
It's gonna be Romans Day.
Yo, you know that shit. Let's go, bro. Fucking Peter was like, "Come on, let's go, bro."
Bro, they got some fire down there.
Who do you think at the Last Supper did coke? Mark.
Yeah.
Mark was like,
because he was low key.
Yo, Jesus,
do
that water to wine shit, bro.
Bro, can you turn the sand into
bro,
some puree?
Bro, remember that time you were walking on water? Bro, love that shit, bro. This fucking
guy's a man, bro. He's a fucking man, bro.
Love this fucking guy,
He
bro.
can turn anything into anything, bro.
Yo, bro, how's your mother still a virgin? That shit's crazy.
Yeah, bro, it's wild.
You know what? We like to apologize to Catholics, Protestants, anyone that believes in Jesus. That was very disrespectful for the second week in a row.
Yeah.
Are we gonna learn our lesson? No.
No, probably not.
What if when we die, we get to heaven and it's just God and Jesus just like standing there with their arms folded, like playing this shit on the loudspeaker?
Like, yo, my man, remember this shit?
Like mad niggas online cracking up, like he'd be like, "What? You laughing? Go to hell." Like, damn. Do you think there's a shuttle bus for hell, or they just drop you?
Nah, it's definitely a shuttle bus. Shuttle bus is hell.
Yeah.
When they stop the train for 3 stops, and one of those.
But
stops
why
is
would
yours?
hell be like? Okay, hell doesn't make any sense. Like, think about it. Because Satan ain't fuck with God. Satan looked at God and was like, "Nah, I'm off this. I'm starting my own record label." So you go to hell because you didn't follow God's instructions. Okay. So Satan punishes you for doing the same thing he does. That doesn't make any sense. If anything, that sounds like propaganda.
It doesn't.
Because this episode is sponsored by Big Hell. That's right.
Big Hell.
All right. Don't listen to what they told you in your little Bibles and your churches, your synagogue. Hell is lit. We are a new marketing firm and we are rebranding Hell. We're putting an omelet over the E.
Yo, actually, Hell is just the American Dream theme park on Route 3 across from the Lincoln Tunnel.
Shout out to Mero with a very specific reference that 99.9% of the podcast listeners have no idea what the fuck you're talking about.
Yeah, that shit is fucking huge, dudes. Yo, imagine Hell would be lit if it was just like a Six Flags. But like the scary part of Six Flags when they do it on Halloween and they got the dude with the fake chainsaw chasing you around. You never went to that shit, Fright Fest?
Oh, Fright Fest?
Yeah.
Fright Fest is cool. It's just like
you gotta get super high to go there.
It's mad cold. Well, I was like 10. Like, why would I get high? Like,
I mean, shit.
Oh, Mero.
I was 11. You get super spizzy.
I wasn't getting super spizzy at 10.
No, I was definitely not 10. Definitely not 10. That's too young. You gotta have at least another whole number after your age to be ingesting marijuana. That's my rule as a parent. You know what I'm saying? Or teen. No, actually my rule is teen. If your age ends in teen, then you can start experimenting with weed. You know what I'm saying?
Why? Why teen? Why would you want to start smoking that early?
I mean, like, no. I'm not saying like I'm gonna encourage you to, but if you like happen to find out about it and like learn about it on your own and whatever, experiment. I'm not gonna bust your balls for it. I'm gonna tell you. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, you're still growing and this and that, and give him some medical journals for him to read or for her to read. You know what I'm saying?
I don't care read no medical journals.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make him do it.
They're not gonna read it.
They're gonna have to. That's gonna be the thing. Yo, you want to smoke weed, nigga? You gotta read this medical journal about weed. Right now, boom.
You know what I'm saying?
Peer reviewed.
You about to have your hands full.
You know what I'm saying?
You about to have your hands full,
you know what I'm saying?
nigga.
And the hell's gonna be right there, like, yo, you gonna read the shit too, motherfucker? We're gonna be standing there, arms crossed. You know what I'm saying? On some real serious parental shit, and they're gonna read that motherfucking medical journal. They better. You know what I'm saying? If you want to smoke that loud pack, there you go. You see how daddy be slumped on the couch playing fucking Call of Duty? You want to get like me? Read that medical journal. You know what I'm saying? Bang. And at the same time, you're expanding your mind, you're learning about shit. Cannabinoids, percentages, you know what I'm saying? Joules of electricity, shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, sure went out. And then you got a smart kid. Bang. You know what I'm saying? There you go.
Yeah, I mean, okay.
In there.
Thank you, Mero, for that.
Appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate it. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people, it's an unorthodox approach to parenting, but it works. You know what I'm saying? It works. You know what I'm saying? For me, everybody's different. Every child is different. You know what I'm saying? Every child is different. Every child is their own special flower. You know what I'm saying? And they grow and they bloom differently. So you have to pay attention to that and be mindful as a parent. You know what I'm saying? This shit is fucking fire.
All right, that's Mero's new spin-off podcast called Bloop. It's him and Gwyneth Paltrow. They're talking about parenting.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, back to Susio shit. Shout out to Mariah Mills, who, wore her on the shirt yesterday on the last podcast.
Don't tell me she retired. Oh, my God.
She just unretired. Huh?
That's what I'm saying. I was like, she just unretired. How'd she retire again? I thought you had the t-shirt on because she, retired.
Nah, I have the t-shirt on because I'm a nasty nigga.
I respect it.
Okay?
I respect it.
In order to buy a t-shirt with a porn star on it, you got to be a nasty nigga. Because everyone beats see me.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Also, shout out to Pornhub. You just came out with the new cross the bags. Quality shit, bro.
Crossbody porno bags?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Pornhub got fire equipment. I don't want to name anyone's names.
Fire equipment?
They got fire gear and shit. I don't want to name any names. Janice. But people are holding out.
Yo, it was good.
What's
poppin', yo? Janice, how'd you
She gonna be like, go buy it from the fucking store.
Yeah, she's like, the size already free, motherfucker.
Shout out to her. She had the wildfire photo in the Bodega Boys shirt. So, she's gang. Susio boys, we out here.
You already know
I feel like we're not Susio enough because you were just talking that parent and shit. Nobody want to hear that shit, bro. We want to talk about gaping assholes.
Yeah.
We want to talk about glory holes. We want to talk about. There's I saw a Pinot the other day. And one of the girls only had 3 fingers.
Were they stuck? Was it just
they didn't
3?
even mention it
or
in
were
the
they
porno.
Stuck together?
They didn't even mention it in the porno. It was just casual, sure, they don't have 3 fingers. But then I was looking, and in her older video, she had all her fingers.
Oh shit!
You know how hot that is, bro?
Yo,
bro, you know how hot that is?
Yo,
bro, she lost a finger, bro.
How'd she lose
a finger, bro? What's going on?
She's
bro?
in the BTS with nut on her face, I took a break from adult films and I was doing pornography, I was doing carpentry and there was a table saw and
lose a finger.
Shit happens, but whatever. But I'm back now. Alexis sexy with 3 X's and an I.
Nothing sadder than when a Pinot star can't get their actual Twitter name and have to do an underscore.
Oh God, or a number,
or they got banned and they have to come back and and then in bio they're like, yo, got suspended at 3 million.
Yo, suspended at 5 trillion. Yo, but I'm back. You weren't. I don't know if you were at 3 trillion. I don't know if you were. You're popular. I don't know about 3 trillion.
How come famous authors don't have numbers the same as porn stars? Why doesn't Roxanne Gay have 5 million followers?
Because of Middle America.
Okay, I'll take that.
You know what I'm saying?
Sounds good. If this was a debate,
Trump voters.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
You can always vote. You can always blame shit on Trump voters. Right?
Hell yeah.
They're responsible for a lot of shit.
You think Trump voters are reading Roxanne Gay?
No. They are.
On some well, look at this shit.
Oh, see, that's your mistake because you did that hick accent, and there's a lot of Trump voters on Midtown.
Oh yeah,
69th Street, and running networks. Whoop. Jesus strikes again. Yeah.
Whoa, hold
up. I do it for the tax breaks, bro.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah,
but those guys can't solely. I mean, they can. They have a lot of power and influence, but numbers wise. He needs those fucking he needs those hicks. If he doesn't rile up the hicks, he can't No,
that's not true at all.
He has to.
That's not true at all.
That's his base.
That is not true at all. To think that Trump's base is hicks that's a mistake liberals continue to make, and that's why Trump will probably be reelected. Because most Trump voters are around you.
Yeah.
It's your veterinarian, it's your dentist. There's people around you, and they just don't tell you they're Trump voters.
Also, but this is the thing. So his deep bass, like his deep bass is Hicks. If you expand beyond that, you're right.
Deep bass is not Hicks.
It's Dentist, it's guys with like that, but you can tell. Like you can kind of like I don't know. Like I know. I can I kind of can feel a person out a little bit and be like, yeah, you definitely voted for Trump, depending on what you do for a living, socioeconomic status, answers to questions.
How high are you right now?
I'm like
how high are you right now?
I'm like baseline.
You're not baseline right now.
Like, but there's a lot of questions you got to ask somebody, and then you can figure out, yeah, you voted for Trump. It's like a handful. You know what I'm saying? It's true.
Okay.
Like, yo, I know for a fact, without even asking, the people that I see when I pick up my kids, I'm like, you voted for Trump. Because they have a Trump bumper sticker on their pickup truck.
Yeah.
I'm like, I know for a fact that you voted for Trump.
J-Lo's doing the Super Bowl halftime show this year. Shout out to J-Lo.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to the BX.
The Super Bowl is in Miami, and people were upset that and particularly Luke, that it wasn't represented by Miami artists. What is your take on that, sir?
I mean, that's fair. But I mean, when you think Miami, that's very niche.
Speaking of Miami, that's where Bang Bros is at. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the Bang Bus. That's where they invented that shit. Remember that? Yeah.
Bang Bus.
Trying to get back into Susio. I mean, I don't know. We're trying to dip in and out of Susio. Follow me. Walk with me. Yo.
We gotta put this part of the podcast, do it in slow motion in black and white.
Yo.
You're watching Mero die.
Yo, fam, look. I told you niggas the other day on Twitter, I'm killing myself for y'all. I sleep 4 hours a night. I work.
Why? Why would you do that? If you have 4 kids, why would you kill your? Why don't you sleep better, eat better? Have you got your colonoscopy?
Not yet, but it's coming. But I sleep when I can. I take naps,
bro.
I nap in cars and shit,
bro.
You know what I'm saying? It's got work
I
hard.
take care of myself because I have Mac and Charlie, and I cannot allow myself to die because then they'll die. Because if I die, no one's gonna realize I'm dead for 4 days, and my cat and my dog are gonna be dead.
Oh shit!
So if I can do that amount of diligence to my 2 pets, can't the 4 kids you made with your dick get you to take care of yourself?
Well, I do take care of myself.
You do not take care of yourself. I just asked you about your colonoscopy that you've been talking about on this podcast since I want to say episode 160.
I mean, I feel like it's not going to reveal anything new.
Do you think about colonoscopy as it's not a whimsical thing? It's the doctor's not hey, you feeling colonoscopic? No, it's not a blunt that you hit. Yo, hit this colonoscopy, my nigga. Go get this shit done. Why is this an intervention?
My God.
People are not listening to this podcast. They're being rank on you. Why am I turning into Heather and your mother? Joelle, what's wrong with you?
I don't got time, goddammit. We got to do a super fucking meeting with Timberland. We got to do this, that, that.
You said you don't have time. Wow.
Yo, no, seriously. Between 4 kids and all their activities.
Bro, if you need to get a colonoscopy, shit can be rearranged.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, low key, if you get a colonoscopy, shit is going to be rearranged.
Yeah, of course.
I mean, bro, listen.
And you're going to fart.
They're going to push your turds up. But
you fart a lot after a colonoscopy.
You don't.
I heard.
No, you don't. I had a colonoscopy. It doesn't.
So what's the one where they put air in your rectum?
I don't. You know what? Every time we talk colonoscopy, you keep talking about this putting air in your rectum shit, and I'm just what the fuck did you hear about colonoscopy? That's not what happens.
Is that somebody?
I don't think there's any procedure where they blow air in your rectum. I think that's from. I'm not putting that into my computer.
Put it on incognito mode.
Ask Alexa. Ask Alexa on your phone.
All right. Is there a procedure that requires you to insert air in your butt?
I found this on the web.
Proctoscopy. Yeah, a proctoscope. Air will be pushed into your anus, into your rectum. Proctoscopy. Yep, that's what it is. So there is. Look, yeah. So if you need a proctoscopy, they put air in your body. You know what I'm saying? It's a procedure used to diagnose problems with your rectum and anus. The rectum is the end of your large intestine. The anus is the opening of the rectum. So right there, boom. Like if you got rectal issues, they do a proctoscopy.
Do you have rectal issues?
No, I have.
So, and has the doctor ever said you were going to get that? Has the doctor even said that word of that procedure to you?
Proctoscopy?
No. So what probably happened was the doctor will tell you about the colonoscopy.
Scoscopy.
And your head did the shit you're doing right now. You went off and then you somewhere else.
Oscopy. The oscopy is what fucks you up. They got to call it something else. They got to stop naming all these procedures like with the same fucking suffixes because it fucks you up. You know what I'm saying? A colonoscopy, proctoscopy, what the fuck am I supposed to know? If those two offices are right next to each other, and I just ate 100 milligram edible because I'm trying to get right.
They're not office. There's no colonoscopy office.
Like if you go to a specialist.
You don't go to a room and it's like, oh, hey. They don't have a number. Like, number 88, come get your colonoscopy, bro. It's not Cat's Deli.
Specialist. God damn. I don't feel like a fucking DMV.
Hey, who the fuck is,
I don't feel like a DMV. You jerk off at me like a fucking
I got
office.
a colonoscopy, a side of potatoes, and some onion rings. Come pick it up. They're ready.
I mean, a medical practice that specializes in fucking.
This nigga get his colonoscopy at Papaya Dog. He's like, yo, let me get a colonoscopy with sauerkraut and a large papaya. And let me get one of the $1 slices. I don't usually do that, but it's a cheat day.
Let me get some sauce on my fucking proctoloscopy.
Oh, man.
Yo.
No, colonoscopies, like, you gotta just wear Timbs to let niggas know that you bout it.
Yeah, you're a G?
And then you have the choice of either being awake or going to sleep. You should be awake, because then you can watch it on the TV.
On the TV?
Yeah.
I low-key want to go just, I low-key want to put the air in my butt thing.
Oh, Lord, just fucking Christ and Jesus.
I guarantee that the same doctor that does the colonoscopy does a proctoscopy, and I can just be like, yo, just do them both, bro. Just make sure I'm good, make sure my intestines are good and my rectum's good, and I'm good to go, and I'm get out of here, and I don't got to see you again for another 50 years. Because when you start getting older, you got to start going to the doctor.
You understand the difference between the two? Like, one is just air up your butt, the other is a camera. Goes up. Like,
they did two different procedures. So
right,
it's just like,
air is just gonna get like this, like the front part of your butt lifted. Like the camera gotta go all the way in there.
Yeah. All
right.
I'm excited for the second part. The first part is just like, yo,
you gotta ask for like
just knock this out. It's like when you get a car wash and they're like, yo, wash my rims too. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, get it all up in there with the colonoscopy, get under the floor mats, and then wash my rims on the way out. Blow air up my ass so I know that my rectum is good.
Nah, I was in there, like, he had that tube going in my butt. That shit was like... I was like, whoa. I was like, slow down. I was like, whoa. Yo, Tokyo Drift by my intestines. Whoa, dude. Whoa.
Yo, hit the nitro button.
Yo, hit the boost. He was like, that's a polyp. I was like, what the fuck is that?
What is that?
I was like, we're in the Mushroom Kingdom? Oh, shit. Shout out to Young Jesus not dying of stomach cancer. That was the reason I had to get colonoscopy.
Oh my god.
But, you know, we out here, we still banging. So go get your fucking colonoscopy. Nah, fuck that.
But my doctor also told me, he's like, yo, you're really young.
Actually, if you die, that would make my job so much easier. I'm not even kidding. Like, first of all, I'd do that Jewish thing where like you wail. What is it? Shiva?
Shiva.
Yeah, I'd have like a little doily over my face. I'm like, I miss my Joel. Blah, blah, blah. Probably get your name tattooed on my neck or some shit. To talk to Heather, I'd be like, listen, you're right. You want in on this or nah? Like, listen, we could get some big money. Like, you know what I'm saying? You crying about the nigga, you know what I'm saying? That's what's up. You know? So come to this fucking, we doing a funeral and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Do the biggie shit, you fall off a motorcycle and shit. Like, yeah.
I was like, here, this is Faith Evans' part. You sing it.
You sing it.
Just be on a fucking Ducati going down the Jersey Turnpike, like, ah!
Yo.
I look up, Mero, tell me why. Yo. Every day he smokes. Me and all the Mero's kids going up a mountainside. One D-low morning when my hookah's over.
Anybody get shiny suit?
I wear my fungo. Because like every day we smoke, every day we talk. Joel, we miss you.
Yo.
We got the wild hologram of you. You're looking over like,
yo.
Boom, 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 boom.
I miss my Uncle Mero, y'all.
I miss my Uncle Mero, y'all. I go home, go home, go home. The angel just comes and taps you. Your eyes turn black. Oh, and I'm gonna miss everybody, and I'm gonna miss everybody's blunts, y'all.
Were both Thugs in Harmony like? They were good, but were they that good? Because I feel like we just did.
They were great, but the problem was,
or am I just really high? And I felt like we really nailed.
Well, no, you're really high. You're dangerously high. You're like
this is high type of high I like to be.
You are higher than female astronaut pussy.
Yes. This is what I need in life.
Okay. Some of y'all think that was a degrading thing, but actually that was a shout out to female astronauts.
You know what I'm saying? All over the world. Big up.
They're not all over the world. They're in space. And it's probably more difficult to be a female astronaut because if you have your period, they have to, you know what I'm saying? Like
all around the world.
You gotta take care of people's needs.
That's true.
And somebody in NASA was like, come on, bro, we got to send a chick up there. Now we got to make a pad for her or some shit like that.
A period in space would be wild. Because doesn't every liquid in space turn into like this little sphere of liquid?
I've never been, so.
I've seen like, like PBS, like, yo, listen, niggas grow broke. I watch a lot of PBS.
Yeah, this nigga high for real because he's a space expert.
You know what I'm saying? And I was watching like the astronauts in space and shit, and they were like drinking water, but they would pour the water out of the bottle and it would just come out in like little balls. And they would be like, and like eat them like Sonic the Hedgehog eats the air bubbles to stay alive in Sonic the Hedgehog.
Wow, I don't even remember Sonic the Hedgehog. God damn. This Disney Plus ass nigga.
Yeah.
This nigga says Sonic the Hedgehog. There's been at least 40 years of video games that you could have referenced.
Yo.
This nigga says Sonic the Hedgehog. Have you even played the new Call of Duty?
No, it's sitting, because you know what it is? They sent me in for Xbox, but my kids have overloaded my Xbox with so much shit that I'm starting to play more PlayStation. So, y'all gotta send me the PlayStation link, yo.
Wow, your life is hard, bro.
You know what I'm saying? It is hard. It's tough, bro. It's very mentally taxing. I'll tell you that. It's very mentally taxing.
Is that why you do drugs?
No. Like, I do drugs just because, like, it's like, I've been doing it for a long time. And, like, it's like fun. It's good. I mean, it's good. It feels good. But not too good. When it feels too good, when it feels too good, you're too close to the edge.
I love how we came in here to do a podcast. It's turned into inside the actor studio with the kid Mero.
You know what I'm saying? Don't get too high. Get high. Don't get too high. You know what I'm saying? Because then you start saying,
what's too high?
Too high is when you don't know what the fuck you're saying, but it's problematic. High enough is when you don't know what the fuck you're saying, but it's like it could there's intermittent. Remember when we interviewed Lee Scratch Perry? It's like that. Like there was nothing problematic in anything he said, and there was like 2 or 3 jewels in there, but the rest of it was just like, yo, what the fuck are you talking about?
That's fair.
You know what I'm saying?
That's fair.
So it works that way.
That's fair.
You know what I'm saying? Because it's like you get it's like genius soup. You know what I'm saying? Like stew. You know what I'm saying? There's mad big chunks of genius in there, and there's like a lot of broth. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's how we're doing it for 2020.
Oh, Lord Jehovah, please give your blessings over him in God's name, amen. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Yo, California weed is different, man. I gotta say.
Is it? I prefer New York weed. I'm not gonna lie. Shout out to the gas man. But no, like California weed. California weed. It's not. It doesn't do what I need. I don't need weed to like lift me up and make me feel like I'm floating over shit. I need weed to like get me through a tough day. Like I like that 90s style weed. That weed that like Channel Live talked about and all that stuff.
I like that weed too.
To smoke to get through because the Illuminati was watching your mind, soul, and body.
That's true. I like that weed too, but that weed used to make me slightly paranoid, and it gave me a headache after. So like now it's like weed is so fucking advanced that there's like, yo, do you have anxiety? Do you get headaches? Smoke this. And I'm like, oh, that's exactly what I need. Boom, give me that. You know what I'm saying? I smoke that and I'm chilling. I don't get a headache. I get nervous. I just hang out, smoke a blunt. Ask all our followers to play our podcast on repeat, you know what I'm saying? When they go to sleep,
You know what I'm saying? Stream it. If you're in a country where our podcast is not available, download a VPN and play it.
And play
all right?
on a loop.
And play Yummy.
You know what I'm saying?
Yummy.
Can I tell you I still have not heard that song?
Yeah, you're blessed.
I have not heard that song at all.
You're blessed because
everybody's like, "Yo, it's bad." And I'm like, "How bad could it be?"
It's not bad, but if you hear it once, it's in your head forever. And then when you're just minding your business, it's just like in the background. And if you ride in Ubers, you hear it a lot.
To me, that song right now is that fucking Senorita song.
Senorita.
I never when you call me Senorita.
What are you like riding 2 years ago?
Like I don't know. Every time like that, that song will be.
Yummy. They play Yummy and like. That's the thing. 'Cause I take Ubers all the time, and it's just like you learn songs you don't want to hear. Mm-hmm. Like I remember the worst time in my life, even worse than when I had my gun charge, was when the most popular song was that Chainsmokers song. It was like, I don't know men like this. Chainsmokers and Coldplay. Oh my God. Hey, that fucking song. I know you no. Tell me something just like this. It was like, I was like, kill me. I'm in the Uber like with the door open, like I'm gonna just jump out in the BQE.
Fam, if you want to torture me, tie me up, put my ears open like Clockwork Orange, and just play that over and over again in my ear. I'll tell you anything you want to know within 15 minutes. Where the money is, where the guns are. You know what I'm saying?
Where the guns are. Where the guns are.
It's just crazy. It's wild. I apologize. I'm sorry.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Growth. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Can't be crazy. That's a problematic term. Growth.
What's the next award show? The Oscars or the Emmys? Or the Golden Globes?
You are asking the wrong person. I just started caring about awards now because sometimes we get nominated, and even then I don't care that much. Because actually, and this is going to sound wild gas, like going to an award show is a work event.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's kind of like a blip in your schedule.
It is.
You're going to be hungry. You have to get an outfit. You have to provide ground transportation that usually, hopefully, they pay for it. You might have to pay for it out of pocket. And then it's just like, if you don't win, then you just look stupid. Now you just wasted a Sunday evening going all the way to LA. Yes, you got nominated. You should be happy for that. But let's be for real. If you don't win the award, it means nothing. It means nothing. Like, let's be honest about life. Like, so, and now you're on a plane and, you're watching E. They're interviewing the people that won. They didn't even mention you. They don't even care about you anymore. Do you even got any? Is there even a gift bag? Did you get an iPad? No, you got nothing.
Unless you got robbed. I mean, I feel like once the stakes are higher, you know what I'm saying? The gift bags will be better.
But then what people forget about like Oscar gift bag and Grammy gift bags, if you want like the watch and all the expensive shit, you have to like do a sponsored ad on your Instagram, or you have to do some like video for the company that's giving you this expensive product. It's not you just grab it and bounce. Like that's not how things work at all.
I mean,
Chrissy Teigen was breaking down to shout out Chrissy.
I mean, it could work out that way. You know what I'm saying? Or it couldn't. You know what I'm saying? Depending on where your driver's located and how buns the people are that, you know what I'm saying, are trying to stop you from just bouncing over 4 gift bags and jumping over the fence.
Yeah.
You wouldn't do that at the Oscars one time?
Steal 4 gift bags?
And just bounce? And jump over the fence? On some like, yo, fuck it, Because I feel like there's no publicity. There's such things bad publicity. Unless it's like actually bad. Like unless you do actually something problematic. But if you do something whimsical, like snatch a couple gift bags and bounce, it's not that bad.
I mean, if there's expensive items in it, that's kind of felony theft. So
it depends on the dollar amount. So if you know what's in the gift bag and you make sure to stay under that dollar amount, you're in misdemeanor territory. You got a good lawyer. You get bumped out to a violation.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? They're cool with the judges and shit, everybody in the fucking whole system. You know what I'm saying? That's how shit works.
That's fair.
You know what I'm saying? It's really like, yo, that's why paid lawyers get you off. Because they go to fucking golf, they play golf with the judges and they do all this bullshit. And, the legal aids don't. They just run around fucking.
Shout out to the Bronx defenders, even though they're legal aids. No public defender slander on here.
No. The Bronx defenders is different. I'm talking about the dude that they just throw at you with the motherfucking 28 folders like, so we're going to take a plea deal on this. You're going to do 2 years. Like, sir, I got caught with a dime bag of weed. Why am I pleading out?
Okay.
You're not supposed to do that.
Right. Yeah, shout out to public defenders. Shout out to niggas going to jail tonight. It's Friday.
No.
Avoid the booking.
Don't go to jail tonight.
Right.
It's the worst thing. He tells you every week. Fuck. People not listening? Have fun. Just don't go to jail. Not on Friday. Maybe Tuesday.
Yeah, it's really never a good night to go to jail. I'm just gonna.
Yeah, no, it's not. I mean, but if you have to.
No, there's literally never a reason for going to jail. Like, there's no have to. Like,
if you're just caught up.
Also, you don't really get to pick when you go to jail.
No, that's not. That's true. Yeah. But there's certain things that you could do that you're like, yo, I might end up in jail if I do this. And then you just schedule it around, not going to jail on the weekend.
That is true. That is true. But hopefully none of y'all go to jail because y'all were smart enough to listen to this episode 188 of the most illustrious podcast in the fucking world.
Giving you advice.
Yo, it's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle. I can pocket say fat like Cheerio. I can pocket say fat like. Here we go. Oh, that's so what I might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with around the middle of us at the Vete Quattro Mikhail going off the Juve boss. MC Liquid Gunga P putting up for 40, which is shorty. AK don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you. The original +1. Got +1s. Don't make a fuss, son. This is Rosty, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young. The Goose Mufasa, Young Chakuni, Real Takunari, aka Chili Limon, left handed reliever for the Yankees. Kalo K. 3 Phone Jones, Jesus, Machina, J. Chuckle, Stanley Cups, Human Dr. Honors with Dalu, Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, like Mapino Blurry, DJ Woolite, aka listening to Wash FM. Up next, we got the Mountain Brothers, yo. Shout out to all my Asians. Wow. The Curry Go, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hasper, and the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain, Human Meme, Word to Jaw, Young Aaron, the Racing Provocateur, Hedrick, Bud Cross, Nelson Bandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and Human Worthers, Melting in Your Mouth, Mr. Bex and Decker, Ricky G. Scarvey, Greg Popovich, Morrissey Chestnut, Muhammad Gami, I'm got Cucumber. Juice the Prince, but your boy never is. I am the Ardam, the Dun Dada Ganoush. No more company news. The Prince of Peck on the Fashion Nova Cast Nova. While William A. said 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. Forget the small change. Give me big money. Wine. The only anthem I salute is Drip Set the Saga Cashman Square. One top left. Man's March over. Zudo. Holy cow. Mr. Top Fox, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ Purple Self Soda and me. So hey, I'm here. David Yerman, these expensive DJs, Red Bottles, these Bloody Shoes. From Noah. Oh my Andrew Coon and AK Junior and God Junior. Come down on Palm Beach Charger. Call me Pet Coke. I got your bitch on free. The topic of gossip Messiah. Shout out to the 11791 AK Grandpa Joke, when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket. Your man Dead ID this morning, Sheriff. Mr. Shopping at the cheese, like a bad breed, think I'm easy. Please believe me. The back Asiac, crack your back like automatic crap, like Mr. Lamarino, and the rest Marino, refresh Mr. Mina, cold demeanor, sheep ass killer. No one can be iller. The Black Zach Morris, support Morris, Young KPI, your personal Jesus, aka Problematic Bay. It's not a secret family if you kill them.
Oh. It's not.
It's not. Up next, we got the kid, Mero.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. The Bodega Boys podcast #1 in the world. I'm saying I throw a little Peter Gabriel flow in there for you. I don't even know who that is. It's your boy the Kid Mero, aka the Human Durag 5, aka Donovan Big Dab, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka skirt load and jump the curb, hit your motherfucking good doggo and keep it moving. And ask me if I give a fuck. I do not, unless I'm confronted by Peter. Aka I'm no fucking baby, I fucking mang, my nigga. Aka no need to check the guest list. I am the fucking guest list. You know what I'm saying? Don't fucking touch me, yo. You know what I'm saying? I will pull that black t-shirt over your head and beat the shit out of you. Yo, Nate, shoot this nigga's eyebrows off, man. Stop fucking playing with me. A.K.A. CC Dab Bathio, you know what I'm saying? A.K.A. James C. Factors. I'll will ghost on you, shorty. A.K.A. Tiger Backwood, smoke a fucking 3 grand blunt, and then hit you with this 9-iron. A.K.A. get into this money and this smoke, your boy going smack. A.K.A. I got all my kids nominated for an Oscar in whatever category they want, because I'm the fucking dad of the year. A.K.A. bitch smack me on, but A.K.A. Diego Maradona. A.K.A. Dicky Bimotobo. You don't come into pussy no more. This pussy belongs to me. Actually, it does not. It belongs to you. Therefore, I require your permission and access because I respect your agency. Thank you. A.K.A. Pablo Santana. So smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crashes dim car.
Look out.
Jump out the house fit and keep it moving. A.K.A. the Dominican Diamond Daddy. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask me for fucking selfies and ask me how the kids are doing, Edward. You like your little fucking Rite Aid job, huh, Edwin? Huh? They put the fucking Ricola and the Snapple in the bag and keep it moving, dog. Stop asking me fucking questions. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Romeo Santos. Tu favorito, mami. So Zanny, let me find out. I'll stomp you out of these Chelsea books. They can play with me. Niggas from the hood. A.K.A. Light Little Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That you broke as in your $5. Damn, nigga, $5? $5. Pathetic. A.K.A. Tom Brady, got my balls inflated more than Bobby Crash. You know what I'm saying? We the Sabershot boys. You know what I mean? A.K.A. Feel the ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos consensually, of course. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Lucy first thing to tap out on live. You know what I'm saying? Bit tuna before text. You heard? A.K.A. Frano Messi, MVP of Gelato. A.K.A. Daniel Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. A.K.A. Joe Hookah. You know what I'm saying? We digital now. I dare you to smoke with me.
Where?
At Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? We got Bill flipping the coals. You know what I'm saying? It's a fucking movie. A.K.A. Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. Have you ever in your life reconstructed the entire nervous system of a SoundCloud rapper using only plastic cutlery and opioids? No, you've never. You can never compare. Can't they get the strap? A.K.A. I'll be Medicine Cabinet. You know what the fuck it is, man. It's a dead man. It's got a A.K.A. Rico Sabroso. A.K.A. Baby Lupo 2 for 5 niggas got garbage down the way. A.K.A. Nino Brown. Shut the car down. Got your titty backing up, but Nilsy. A.K.A. live from the Little Caesars on 176th Street. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One You See Is Fucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me lean. You know what I'm saying? Because you might fall in train tracks and perish. A.K.A. every week, mate, I have to remind you, blokes, that there's only 2 rock stars left in the world, mate. It's the Bodega Boys. The Bodega Boys themselves, of which I'm one. The plantain sipping ever in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a fire tempo single dropping in. A.K.A. I met my friend says I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? A.K.A. Ballin' in Portland, smoking on that legal. It's your boy, Barmelos Anthony. Out here, A.K.A. if you see me at Target higher than Patrick Ewing changing a light bulb, approach me like a fucking earth-like mammal, motherfucker. Because I might react radically. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. is this the right place? Hey kids, it's Ben's on the Clown. I'm here for your birthday party. I'll show up to the party after it's over. And for my grand finale, I'll fall asleep and urinate on myself. But don't worry, because I got my friend Mr. Funfun here. And he's going to watch your kids while I go to handle some business in the van.
Hey kids, let's sing a song. I believe the children are the future. Teach them well and let me touch the soft.
Okay, Mr. Funfun. All right, get back in the van, Mr. Funfun. We gotta go. Sorry, guys. Happy birthday, Johnny. Bye.
Happy birthday, sexy.
Whoa. You gotta stop that. A.K.A. I so fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off the Goya honey that got the piece of honeycomb in it and some Windex, nigga. And now, please enable your SAP button because I'm about to go in. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, ¿qué es lo que es, guau? Llegó el hijo de FIFA, coño, el que tiene la melaza. Yo, lo más ranqueado. Ahora vengo con rango, El cora activado, tú sabes que lo que ando con la vaina sobá. Vamos acelerado, metiendo tabaná. ¿No sé? Yo no le tengo miedo ni a mismo Satanás, coño. A.K.A. shout out la casa Showtime. Shout out Cash App. Motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Hay que mandamos los cuartos. Hay que shout out Hasan y say. Hay que pone la fucking nota. Shout out Víctor Marte, el papi de la lady. 24 quilates de magia. Hay que shout out Desus bueno, la nota jamaiquina. Shout out la nena de la bodega Dai, la máquina eléctrica. Y Vicky, que estaba un poco de inválida todavía, pero estamos aquí. O sea, en alta. You know, shout out Shubidi, la madura. Corfolication de venta ya. Shout out mi presidente Pío, secretario de defensa. Activo con el cañón. Avísame, coño, que lo suelto. Pronto de libertad, mi hermano Friki. Y que descanse en paz, mi hermano César. ¿Ok? Episodio 188, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? We coming hard for 2020.
You know the fucking vibes. You know the fucking vibes. Bodega Boys in the building. Coming to you live from the Jamroom in Milk Studios.
That's right, baby.
You know what I'm saying? Sponsored by who? Cash App. Just want to clear some allegations that were made. Roddy Rich says Cash App in the box.
He does.
He says Cash App.
Cash App.
All right? Anyone says that he doesn't, the line, go on Genius and change it.
That's right.
Be an ally. All right? We'll be back next week. We out.
Holla.
She said the nigga so got the Cash App.
I just want to say that. I just want to go on the record and saying that mixing cognac and vodka is a bad idea. I will just leave that there with no explanation or prefacing or whatever. But
16-year-old Mero's first time in the bar. That's like when I was a bartender, and one night we threw like an underage party because the promoter was like wild shady. He didn't give a shit. And it was like mad kids coming up to the bar. It was like, "Can I get a Grey Goose and vodka?" And I was like. I was like, you know what? No, you're not getting a drink tonight. You clearly do not know how to drink.
You don't even got a mustache, you bozo.
The party lasted 7 minutes before it got shut down. And the wild part was, it was over 200 kids in the club. And at the end of the night, there were mad shoes. Just like one shoe. Like mad girls lost shoes, and I have no idea like how they got home.
That's you got smizzy.
This lady came and she had like a printout of a Facebook post, and she was like, "Is my daughter here? Is my daughter here?" And I was like, "Yo, fam."
Wow.
I was like, "She might have been. She ain't now."
Yo, parents coming to the party is such a wild vibe, like. Fam.
But it depends, because it's like, if it's black parents coming to the party, it's like, yo,
you about to get your ass beat.
But if it's white parents, it's like, oh my God, like my daughter, I have to take her to rehab. Like, where is she? She's wilding.
She's wilding. I gotta take her to rehab.
She's dating some Dominican in Dykeman. She has cuts in her eyebrows now. She used to be a cheerleader.
She's wilding. Wilding. I found half a dub in her purse.
She called her father De La Mio.
I mean, took a picture of her twerking at Lostsmith.
I found a hookah mouthpiece underneath her pillow. What's happening to my Becky?
What's happening to Rebecca?